Hey all, Kat here, host of the Peaceful Unity System. Just giving a new addendum, update, what have you, and asking a question of other systems out there. If you have subsystems, how did you deal with it the first time you met them or became aware of them? Because we are now aware that we have at least two subsystems, as we've met the hosts of both. And we're still processing that. So I'm not sure, really not sure what this means and how much bigger our system just got. Because I don't know how many headmates each of them has in their systems. I got the feeling that one of them has a whole lot of headmates in her system. The other one may only have one or two. So there's a lot going on that just thought I'd hop on here and explain why we might be absent off and on for a while. Because, yeah, there's a lot going on in our life and in our head. So we will do our best to keep you guys informed of our progress. I hate it when I can't see out of my glasses. And how we learn and deal with things. I am not giving any names at this point, just because, one, I don't necessarily have permission, and two, I still don't know a lot. Just know that they're there. Still trying to wrap my head around that and figure out how that even works. So, yeah, sorry. Literally just got out of therapy a little bit ago, so this is very new for us. I mean, we knew there was a possibility of us having subsystems because we were pretty sure we were polyfrag, or polyfragmented, for those who aren't familiar with terms. I mean, we have, at this point, 51 known headmates. And I have no idea how many unknown, especially with two full subsystems. And her system definitely seemed to be big. So I will update more as we learn more. So this was just a, here's what's going on. Love to all. Take care. Peaceful Unity signing out.